What's up guys, my name is Sifiso. Welcome to my channel and welcome to day one of my Malta series. Today my day starts off in Hertfordshire. As you can hear, I'm literally en route to the airport. Shout out to my dad who has given me a lift. We're literally racing against time because I've got about 15 minutes to make it to the airport, but that's fine, positive vibes and all that. Literally filling in all my documents. Obviously with COVID it's not simple go travel anymore, so I've got my negative results right here, my certificate, we praise God, and I also have a whole bunch of documents that the Maltese government want me to fill in before they will grant me entry. But yeah, I just wanted to come in, say hello, and I'll see you guys for the rest of the journey.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me.
Just £7.
I'm not really asking.
Yeah,
we'll get away
to 15 minutes.
to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action. What we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is
Guys, I ran and I ran and I ran. I'm sweating. I'm a sweaty mess. Oh my god. Oh my god.
take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free. Let's go. Let's be free.
And finally, on behalf of our next special captain, first officer, and your crew today on board, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us and hope to see another Ryanair scheduled flight. Once again, thank you and have a lovely evening.
Alright guys, so I finally landed in Malta, we thank God. Oh my goodness, later on I will tell you how chaotic it was. I almost missed my flight. It was just chaotic. I had to run. That's why I'm wearing this bandage slide, to absorb the sweat, because I ran so much for my flight. And I was actually the last person in. Like the gate had shut and they very kindly opened it for me to let me in, so shout out to them. But anyway, I'm now at Malta airport. Then I realized I don't know how to get to my hostel, so I've just logged onto their Wi-Fi. It's free Wi-Fi, so I've logged on and I need to get the bus. So that's what I'm gonna do. I am gonna get the bus and then figure it out from there. Let's see, apparently it's supposed to be €2, so that's very good. Let's go and see. So I wanted to buy one of these cards here, but the machine is not working, and also I can't find my bus. The bus I need to get to my hostel is X2. Do you know what, I'm tired, I'm hungry, so I think I'm just gonna get a cab and then we'll sort this out tomorrow somehow, I think. Yeah. Also, top tip, make sure you strap these. Oh my god, I was carrying them without having it strapped and it was so heavy. So much better once you strap it, like so much better. Anyway, let's go find a taxi. For future reference. Yeah, taxi.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
How old are you?
24. I'm 25 in 4 days, my birthday.
Your birthday?
Yes.
If you have a boyfriend, he take you out to take a drink.
I can take myself out for a drink, you see?
Don't say that. And after he give you a nice body massage. Yes or no?
No, I can pay for someone.
Sorry?
I can pay someone to do it. Oh, Gozo.
Free is better, but I'm joking with you, right?
Do you have any recommendations? Anywhere I need to go visit?
You have Malta though. Medina, the old city, if you like the old buildings and the old cathedral,
Yeah, Medina.
Blue Grotto. You go on the small boat to see the waves and the sea, understand?
Yeah, yeah.
You have a Valletta.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
And Gozo, is that good?
Gozo is good, but you will spend too much time to go and come,
Okay.
Guys, I just got out of the taxi and look at this place. This is the hostel I'm staying in. What? So he said, come to the top, use the lift. Well, that's so dumb. Oh my word, it looks so cool. Okay. Well, I imagine the top is 4. Alcohol is not permitted in the rooftop bar between the hours of 8 p.m. and 2 a.m. Brilliant! That means I can eat. I'm starving. And actually, I saw loads of places to eat just outside this hostel. So I will be spoiled for choice. But yeah, I ended up getting the taxi because I couldn't find the bus and I couldn't get a way to get the ticket. It cost 20 euros. It's like a fixed price depending on the area. Yeah. How odd was that guy? The taxi driver. He was like nice, but a bit, But anyway, it's fine. I'm here now. I'm gonna check in and then I'm gonna go eat because I'm starving. Okay guys, this is now much later on in the evening. I've had dinner and I think most of the people are up in the rooftop bar, but a couple were still sleeping. So I thought, let me show you guys a tour of the hostel. So you've already seen that we've got a sink right there. There's a little shelf because some people were staying there for months at a time. So they made themselves at home. There's about 12 beds, but because of COVID, they were only operating at half capacity. This one here is my bed, and every bed has a locker of their own, and you open the locker using the key that also opens the bedroom door, so everybody has their own key. This is quite useful because I had actually forgotten to bring my own lock pad, but I will say this drawer is really hard to open. But it's huge, so you win some, you lose some. The beds are really comfortable, and my favorite thing was these curtains because they really do give you some privacy, and I've decided wherever possible I'll always get one with a little curtain. As you can see, you've got your own lamp. There we go, having fun switching that on and off. There's also a shelf where you can store your stuff. It would have been nice to have a little locker above the bed like we did in Barcelona, but that's fine. Also, I don't know if you noticed that, but they have the same sockets as they do in the UK, so that was very useful. I was very happy not to have the top bunk. And here we are outside. So fun fact, this hostel did not have AC, at least our room didn't have AC, so we often kept the door open, and then the last person in the room basically got to decide whether or not we sleep with the door open or the door shut. Pros of the door open, you get some air in the room. Cons, it gets very loud in St. Julian's, it is a party area. But if you're tired enough, and you will be, you'll sleep right through. Overall, I really enjoyed staying in this hostel. The people in there were so lovely. It was cleanliness, I would honestly say maybe 6 or 7 because that sink did get a bit gross sometimes, I'm not going to lie. Don't think I've ever seen a vending machine for cigarettes before. But that's jokes.